this blade bend this way, so this is top like this, a long handle. I can reach the bottom. Okay, I can go backward, continue bending more. Okay, since the blade is a little bending, and then I can go angle like that. Not like this, not like this angle, not like this angle. Go back and then down, make a little slight angle. Okay, without cutting the line, like that. Okay, this is how you clean the window with glue. You know, a little glue between the line, under the line, double the line. Okay, like this. Continue. And then take out all the glue, top glue, bottom glue. Okay, so long handle really handy compared to, you know, small short handle blade holder. Yeah, I'm selling this blade holder. Really handy. Can catch any place I want it. Like this. Yeah, without cutting, because blade bend other way. If I turn this way, then cut the line off. But if I go this way, this is blade bending other way. You see all the bottom part I can reach easy, like this. Yeah, this is how we use. So pretty handy. Tinting shop must have one. Okay, thank you for watching.